Hello, my name is Jackson Svoboda. I am presenting a video on sea cucumbers for the Biology 112 lab. So, first thing we need to talk about is what are sea cucumbers? Let's start with the basics. So what are sea cucumbers? Sea cucumbers are aquatic organisms. They're animals. They are found worldwide. They can be found on ocean floors and sea floors, everywhere in between. And despite their name, they are animals. Cucumbers, just regular cucumbers, are plants. Sea cucumbers are animals. Uh, like I said, they're found on the ocean floor, the sea floor, but they're called sea cucumbers because they look like regular cucumbers. They have long cylindrical bodies, um, and they're also commonly eaten as food in some places. What is the scientific term for sea cucumbers? It is echinoderms. So yes, they are animals. They eat. They do not just grow in one place. They can move around. They have 2 feet to walk. They eat by using tentacles that come out of their mouth. They will grab food and suck it up. So, how do sea cucumbers relate to the rest of the animal kingdom? Do they have any predators? Do they have prey? What do they eat? What do they do? How do they relate evolutionarily? Things like that. So the sea cucumbers do have predators in the ocean. Fish, crabs, and even some sharks will like to snack on sea cucumbers if they can find them. Now, what do the sea cucumbers eat in turn? They'll eat very small organisms found on the seafloor. Most of the time this is algae, sometimes this is other small animals, but most of the time this is decomposing material. So whenever things like a whale or a fish will die in the ocean, their body is decomposing on the floor. Sea cucumbers are some of the organisms that come to help clean that up. Now, evolutionarily, they compare with other animals quite well. They are among the simpler animals. They don't have brains, but they have symmetry in their body similar to other animals. It's not bilateral, it's not in half, but instead it is 5 directions. There are 5 different identical sections in sea cucumbers. They do have organs. This is what differentiates them from things like other general eukaryotes like fungi and plants. Now, how do sea cucumbers relate with the rest of the animals? So they are not chordates. They do not have a main brain stem, and they're also not mollusks. They are unrelated to everything else in the outgroup. Now, if we go into echinoderms in general, sea cucumbers specifically are Holothuriideas, which comes under Echinozoa. They are closer related to things like starfish or sea urchins than to something like a jellyfish. Now, what do they look like? As you can see here, they are long, cylindrical. They have tentacles that will come out of their mouth to eat, and it's not pictured here, but they have 3 rows of feet on the bottom that they use to slowly inch along the ocean floor. Now, why should we care about sea cucumbers? They act as decomposers for the ocean. So things like roaches and other insects will keep our forest floors clean. Sea cucumbers are the reason that the beaches and the ocean floor isn't littered with dead bodies of fish and other organisms. Instead, they are decomposed by the water and sea cucumbers, which will come along and eat them. These are my sources, and thank you so much.